Did you know that you can grow fresh chili peppers right at home even if you only have a balcony or a small garden? Imagine picking spicy green or red chili from your own pot and adding them straight into your cooking. Today I will show you step by step how to grow chili plant at home. Welcome back to Eco Plants. In this video we are going to learn how to grow chili plant at home. Stay with me till the end because I will share some simple tips that help you get maximum yield. Chili is the most popular spice in the world. It adds flavor, heat and nutrition to our food. Chili are rich in vitamin C, antioxidants and minerals. Growing them at home means you get fresh, pesticide-free chilies whenever you need them. Let's start with choosing the right pot. Chili plant don't need very large container. A pot about 10 to 12 inch deep is enough. Make sure it has drainage hole at the bottom. Good drainage is important because chili root doesn't like standing water. Now let's prepare the soil. Chili plant loves light fertile soil. Mix garden soil with compost and a little sand or cocoa-peat. This keeps the soil loose and rich in nutrients. Fill the pot with the mix, leaving a couple of inches at the top. For planting, you can use seed or small sapling. If you are using seeds, soak them in water for a few hours. Then sow them about half-inch deep in the soil. Covered lightly and water gently. Seeds usually germinate in 1 to 2 weeks. If you are using sapling, dig a small hole, place the seedling carefully and cover with soil. Press gently around the base and water immediately. Chili plant needs sunlight. Place your pot in a spot where it gets at least 6 hours of direct sunlight every day. Water regularly but don't overwater. The soil should stay moist, not soggy. Add compost every 2 weeks to keep the plant healthy and strong. As the plant grows, you will see small white flower. These flowers will turn into chilies. At first the green. If you leave them longer, they will ripe and turn red. You can harvest them at either stage depending on your taste. Chili plants can face some problems. Aphid and whitefly are common. Spray neem oil solution weekly to prevent them. If leaf curls or yellow turn, check drainage and add compost. If flower drop, avoid overwatering and make sure the plant get enough sunlight. Chili plant usually start producing fruit in about 2 months. Harvest regularly because the more you pick, the more the plant produces. Use scissor or knife to cut the chili. Don't pull them off. A single plant can give you dose of chili over the season. Growing chili plant at home is simple, fun and rewarding. You will always have fresh chilies ready for your cooking and you will enjoy the satisfaction of harvesting them yourself. So that's how you grow chili plant at home. Easy step, steady care and spicy reward. Try it yourself and enjoy fresh harvest right from your balcony or garden. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to Eco Plants for more gardening tips. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.